Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am at CVS. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, girl, I was ready to sit this week out. Like, dead eye. I was ready to sit this week out because I was just like, I wasn't too excited about the ad. And low-key, I came yesterday and stocked up on the Scots. Because I was like, I'd rather get the Scots. I'd rather get 2 6-packs for $5.50 than get, 1 8-pack for... I don't know what it is this week, $10.50. All right, so I came yesterday and stocked up yesterday trying to burn. And so I knew I wasn't gonna do Scots this week, but I was not excited about the ad at all. I mean, for teas, whole blends, that's like, I feel like we get that all the time. It's something I could have totally slept on. But I wanted to kind of try to roll, some extra care bucks, and so that's why I am here. So if you are new here, this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another video. So got some deals to share with y'all today. I figured if I could at least scrape up at least 5 solid deals, then I think it'd be worth it. So without further ado, let's get in the store and see what kind of deals we can grab this week.
Alright guys, so the first deal is going to be over here on Covergirl. Guys, we got to make that money first, right? So for Covergirl, it's buy 2, get back. 6 this week, limited for 1. And of course, we're grabbing the cheapest item that we can find, which is the Perfect Blend pencils, which are priced at $4.99. We're going to grab 2 of these. They're going to come to $9.98, and we're going to use 2 of these $3 coupons right here from our inserts. We will pay $3.98 and get back the 6, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. So I have a 6 off of 30 hair care series that I'm going to use. I'm going to try to stack 4 different deals. The first one's going to be on the Garnier Fructis. It is priced at 2 for $8, and it's also buy 2 get back 2. For this, we're going to be using this 3 off of 2 coupon from our inserts. There's also IPs on coupons.com as well. They're at 7 off 30, and then we have a 3 off of 2 digital as well. So we're going to end up paying 2 and getting back 2, making that free. Now the whole blends are also a part of a different promo. It looks the same though, but it's different. Also 2 for $8, buy 2 get back 2. And so for this, we're gonna grab 2 of these. Actually, these are working for the promo. They are 2 for $8, so I'm gonna grab 2 of those. I'll be using this 3 off of 2 coupon from our inserts. That's going to glitch with the digital as well. Just make sure that you hand them the whole blend coupon first, bringing that down to paying 2 and getting back 2. This next deal is on the L'Oreal Elvive. These are buy 2 get back 4, limit of 1. They're priced at $5.29, so I'm going to grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $10.58. I'll be using the 3 off of 2 printable here. That's glitching with the digital on the app, which is going to bring that total down to you paying $4.58 and getting back 4, making them only 29 cents each. And then the last thing I had to grab to get my total over 30, I'm going to grab these Husk little packets. They are 2 for $4, and they're also... Actually, I read that wrong. There's been 8 get back 2, so I'd have to buy 4. I don't know if that's gonna work for me. Let me see. All right, so it still might. It'll still work. I'd have to grab 4 of these though. So this is what my 6 off of 30 hair care deal is gonna look like. So all 10 products is gonna come to $34.58. We have a 6 off of 30. And then we have $3 paper coupons as well as digitals for Fructis, Elvive, and whole blends. That'll bring the total down to paying $10.58 and getting back 10, making them only 5 cents each. So we're gonna go try this and see how it works out. This next deal is on the Clairol hair color. It is buy 2 get back 5, and mines are priced at $8.99. So I'm going to grab a total of 2 of them. That price is going to come to $17.98. Now I'm going to be using this $6 off of 2 coupon from our inserts, and I'm hoping that will glitch with the digital for 6 off 2 as well. This will bring the total down to paying $5.98 and then getting back the 5, because 98 cents for 2 of them are only 49 cents each. So this next deal is on the Sheck razors. I'm going to buy 2 get back 10, and so for this I do have a 5 off of 25 Sheck CRT that I'm going to use. So for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these priced at $12.49. Now that total is going to come to $24.98, and then I'm going to use a 5 off 25 CRT. I also have 2 $4 digitals as well that are going to work with this, which are going to total down to paying $11.98, getting back the 10, making it $1.98 for 2 of them, or only 99 cents each. Hi guys, so gosh, this took forever, I swear. I love that they are so freaking patient with me, because man, so what happened was everything worked out good, but I had to split it up. I did all my deals on one transaction, but the CRT for the razors was clashing with the hair care CRT, which I think I put on my paper that it was 6 off 30, but it's actually 7 off of 30. So that deal ended up being a 42-cent moneymaker for the hair care deal. But anyway, so listen. So there goes the Garnier at the very top. There goes the whole blends. There goes the husk. I had 4 of those. I added the caramel as a filler because my total was under 20, which is what I was using. And then there goes the Covergirl, the L'Oreal, and then the Clairol. Alright, so all the coupons that I used, they all worked. All my digitals also glitched as well and came off. I wrote $20 in extra care bucks, so $20.13 out of pocket, and then we got back a total of $21 altogether. This we ended up paying $20.13, and then we got back $21, so this ends up being an 87-cent moneymaker. And then the other one that I did with razors, again, I had to split it up because my razor CRT was knocking my hair care CRT off, even though I met the obligations of both of them. But anyway, so there goes the 2 razors at $12.49. There goes the 2 digitals. There goes the 5 off of 25 CRT. And then we wrote a total of $12 in extra care bucks. The total was 0, and we got back to 10. So for this one, we paid $11.98 and got back 10. So nets this transaction at $1.98. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do a household deal, and I feel like I've been cheating myself lately because I didn't do any laundry deal at all last week. And so we're going to do the spend 30, get back 10. And for this, we're going to start off with the Downy's Untouchables. Yeah, no, it's Untouchables. They're priced at $6.99. Okay, so we're gonna grab that. There is a $2 digital working with that one, so that's the first item that we're gonna grab. All right, the next thing that we're gonna grab, and I don't know why I'm so excited to get one of these, because I feel like my store never has these containers. Like, I just want to look at it. And so they are $12.99. They have this one here, and they also have this one right here. And for that, there is a $3 digital right there. All right. The last thing that we're gonna grab is on the Tide liquid. It's also $12.99. For that one, we have a $3 digital as well. And so let me show you what this deal is gonna look like. Our total before coupons is $32.97 after all of our digitals, which is so awesome. This is a totally digital deal. Of course, if you have thresholds, you can toss those into the equation as well. I do not. Bringing that down to $24.97 out of pocket, getting back to 10, making it $14.97 for all 3, are only $4.99 each. Guys, so that transaction worked out perfect. I went ahead and went to self-checkout and did this deal easy because it was all digital. And so there goes the Tide, there goes the Downy. All of our digitals came off. I wrote $24 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was 95 cents, got back 10. All right, so this deal right here, I'm just gonna try it out and see if it works out. I was watching Couponing with Sal yesterday, and she was saying that this one right here, with the cat and dog, is still working for the rebate on Ibotta. It's for Febreze. This one right here. So I'm gonna try it out. So I'm just gonna grab 2 of them. Now I know we do have a digital as well. Making one of them, well, not free because they're $3.94. So okay, so 2 of them is gonna be $3.94, and then the $3.30 digital will bring it down to $4.58. Now, if I do get back $6 on Ibotta, it will make this $1.42 moneymaker. Now, I also have a coupon from Inserts that I'm going to try to see if that'll glitch with the, I'm going to see if this one will glitch. I don't know if it will. I'll try. If not, I'll be happy with using either one or the other. And so I'll let you guys know how that works out. So I did the Febreze again, I did the Covergirl and the whole blends, along with the Febreze, to see how that was going to play out with the coupon and the digital. All right, so it was perfect, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, it's perfect. So there goes the Garnier at the very top, there goes the whole blends, there goes, well, I needed a filler, so I grabbed the chocolate. There goes the Febreze, Covergirl, and then I bag all the coupons that I used today, all scanned perfectly fine. So triple glitch right there, which was awesome. I was expecting my total to be like $12.36. It came down to about $9 something because the extra $3.30 came off, which was so cool. And so we rolled $9.85 in extra care bucks, and then we got back 10. Right? And then on top of that, we also got back $6 on Ibotta, all right? Plus I had a 10-cent any receipt. So for that transaction, ended up being a $6.71 moneymaker. So not a bad deal at all. All right, guys, I'm already in the car because I'm at Club CVS. This store right here is Club CVS. This transaction worked out really, really good because I had a paper coupon, and then I also had a digital for all of my items, the whole blends, Febreze, and the Febreze. All right, I paid $5.25 and got back $4. All right, hopefully this will reset for me tomorrow morning on Ibotta, and I'll get back $6. But as of now, it's a net cost of $125. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out really sweet. Like all my coupons worked, all my CRTs worked, all my digitals worked. We had a glitch on the whole blends for Febreze, Elvive, what else? Clairol, and the Febreze. So everything worked out perfect here. I'm thinking of doing the Tide deal across the board, especially because I didn't do any Tide or any laundry products at all the last 2 weeks. Other than that, you guys, I'm not done this week at all. I had to order some L'Oreal coupons. I bumped into one of you guys today that gave me an Elvive coupon. So I only had the one. I don't know why I didn't have it on coupons.com. It might be there now, but it wasn't there this morning. So I'm going to order a set so I can go ahead and run that across the board as well. And so other than that, you guys, what else? That's basically it. So everything you see here retails $178.23. This is $13.81 in sales tax. I had $107.20 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $71.03. And then I walk away with $53 in extra hair bucks, $6 for my Ibotta. Hopefully I'll get another $6, well, another $3 for the Febreze. Hopefully it'll reset for me tomorrow. Bringing our net for this down to $12.03, or only 36 cents per item, you guys, which I think is awesome. I mentioned this in my video yesterday, my Walmart video. I put up a a post on my community tab, but I just want to make sure that you guys get on it because one of you guys let me know this deal does expire today. It's spend 20 get back 5, or spend 30 get back 10. So what I did is, because when I went yesterday, I got this one on one transaction and I got this one on another transaction. So what I did is I went back and I returned them and bought the third one so that they would all be on the same receipt, and I submitted that for the rebate. So I should be getting back $10. So that deal ends up being super, super awesome because you end up paying, what was it, $12.97 for the Nariva. The Mega Reds were $9.88. The total is $32.73. And then you get back $5 from the review on Ibotta. I submitted to coupons.com and Alexa. It's also on ShopMeum as well. And then as far as the Mega Red, it's on coupons.com, Alexa, and ShopMeum for $10. And then the $10 rebate. So it ends up being like a $12 moneymaker, which is awesome. So just kind of wanted to remind you guys about that. Other than that, you guys, I hope that you guys are having the most amazing day night whenever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
I'm waiting for an OfferUp customer right now, and I was trying to edit this video. And the intro was getting way too long, and so I had to cut it down because I know a lot of you guys really appreciate the quick intros because you know your girl can talk. All right, so a few things I've been getting a lot lately, but I don't want to do a whole nother video for CVS. It was my Q&A video. A lot of you guys were talking about having issues when it comes to your cards and the system wanting you to kind of link them. Now for me, I don't actually log into my CVS account. through the app. Like, I've never logged in to my account through the app. The only time that it kind of forces me to log in is through the when I use the browser. All right. But other than that, you guys, if I use the app, it doesn't make me log in. All right. So try logging out and then doing that with your cards. So for me, I have a Google Doc. I cut and paste my card numbers whenever I need to unlink or link. All right. And so from the app, you're just going to go to account at the very bottom, click extra care card, and then click unlink, and then just link the card you want to link. And again, I do this every Sunday morning before I even crawl out of bed. It takes me all of 20 minutes to go through all 5 of my cards and clip all of my digitals. All right. Some of you guys are asking about self-checkout. Self-checkout, don't be scared of self-checkout. It can be a little intimidating, but it's super quick, especially if you have an all digital deal. So with self-checkout, you want to scan your items first, then scan your paper coupons, and then you total it out, and then you click zero bag, and you go back in, and then that's when you scan your card or enter your number. Then it'll get all your digitals, all right, and all your CRTs. And then if you're using paper extra care bucks, you can scan those at that time, or you can use whatever ones you have on your card. But it's super easy. I don't usually use extra care bucks and self checkout because it always has CSM or whatever come over, and so I kind of try not to for the most part. If you go in there and you scan your card first, then your items, which is what they always tell you, oh, scan your card first. If you scan your card first, it's going to automatically attach whatever digitals you have, and so your paper coupons won't scan. So just thought I'd add this little snippet. If you watch to the end, because I'm by Jack in the Box, I would like to see a burger in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching.